Hey everyone, wanted to give you a quick video of how you can track what's happening when you set up a sequence. And again, by way of reminder, a sequence has a beginning and an end. It might be a new lead nurture sequence that once people opt in, you send them through a sequence, or it might be a sequence reminding them every day of the Facebook challenge, anything like that. So up at the top under analytics, you can go to your sequences. So you just click the drop down arrow here and pick whatever sequence you want to track. And you can track it by certain time period or all time. And then excuse me, it gives you a little snapshot of what that sequence was. And then down here is where you can see the details. So this is a new sequence that we just started, and we have 607 people that were in it initially. We have 7 unsubscribes. My rule of thumb, you can do what you want, but if somebody unsubscribes, I go ahead and delete those people. So you just click on this, it will bring up the list of those people, and I just select all and delete them so I don't have to worry about it. Then it will show you how many people opened it. Now, this had just gone out earlier today, so it's fairly new, so to speak. So as you come back in here, you can always check this again, and this dynamically gets updated so you can see how many opens you have and how many clicks you have. So I hope that helps. You can always just stay front of mind, so to speak, as far as what's happening with your sequences. See you in the next video.